When Eric, the nomadic fanatic, stayed here in 2017, he said this road wasn't too bad, but it's a little different when it's wet.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So after a mile and a half very sketchy drive down a dirt road with all this rain, I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna get stuck. But I didn't. I made it to this Rood Creek recreation area, and I think it's free camping, so I'm going to see about that. It's beautiful, beautiful place. Oh, I guess you can just camp along here anywhere. Neat. Neat, neat, neat. Okay, I'm game. I'm gonna find a spot. So as badly as that road sucked getting in here, it was indeed worth it. This is beautiful. I have a feeling I'll get some sunset tonight, maybe. Yep, this'll do. This'll do. The price is right. It's free. There's 3 other people camped here. Probably more will come in tonight. It is Friday night. But it is February, so we'll see. Yes, this will do. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, stay lost, my friends.